All right, so I'm looking at Cardano Bitcoin pairing, and you can see right here Bitcoin had a pullback, so the valuation against ADA is starting to go up, or ADA's valuation against Bitcoin is going up. So we do look like we possibly are having a momentum shift to the upside with this stochastic cross. And it's not really valid until we pass this 20 level. So we'll have to keep an eye on it and see how it plays out. You can see we have this high here and we have a higher high here. And on the RSI, we have this high and then a lower high, which is its bearish divergence. And then we had quite a move down too as Bitcoin went on a rally as well during that same period. But here we have this low and we have a higher low kind of for now, a little higher, not much. And we have a lower low here. So the indicator's making lower lows, price action making higher lows. That can be bullish, but we'll have to wait and see how it plays out. I tend to be on the side where we might see these lower levels here at that 0.000022 for or this 2895, because when you zoom out and you look at the 1 week chart, every time the stochastic, which is a momentum indicator, dips below the 20 level, we continue down in our trend. And here we continue down again. And then here we continue down. And here we continue down. So far in the history of ADA to Bitcoin, every time the stochastic breaks that 20, we continue further. Another thing to note is when we confirm support on this 35 on the RSI on the weekly, we tend to move up. So we could see that here, we're going to move up, came down, dipped below, came above, confirmed support, support again, and then had to move up. Same thing here, a double bottom again, move up. And we have this making higher highs while we're making lower highs. You know, that's giving you a warning that the trend could change. And we did have some down movement. But if you're holding Bitcoin and you keep an eye on this stochastic indicator and this 35 level, it's probably not a bad idea to put a little bit of that into Cardano. Again, this is not financial advice. I don't know nothing, but if you're holding enough Bitcoin where you can move some of it and allocate it to speculate even more, although Cardano, in my mind, is a pretty safe bet. It's one of the big guys. They do things properly and methodically. They have a great team, many companies behind it. But so if you put some of your Bitcoin into Cardano, you're going to get more value out of it. Cardano is going to grow faster. There's a smaller market cap than Bitcoin. And then when you start to see RSI levels back up here and the stochastic cross down, then maybe you could take some of that Cardano you bought with your Bitcoin, put it back into Bitcoin. Or if you prefer, put it into a stable coin. That's just what I'm looking at right now. Hope everybody's well. Take care.